Downsizing your photographs. I recently inherited a big chunk of photographs from my grandmother, and one of the things I want to show you in the next 3 videos, there's going to be 3 parts. This is the first part, and there's 2 other parts where I show you the whole process. So basically in this video I just want to show you what I got. I got this bag, and it's very heavy actually, considering. I have already pulled all the pictures out, but there were pictures all in this album here. As you can kind of see that it was full of pictures, all of these slides. And one of the first steps I found before actually going and using my machine to digitalize all my photos was that I should have some sort of organization of how I'm going to use them. So I separated, this in particular is of my family. So these pictures I organized by family and by person. So my grandmother had sections for all her grandkids. And you can see in here, she had taken the time to organize everything, but I still didn't want to have this big, heavy photo album. I wanted to have something small and slimmer, which you will see in part 3 of the video series, just what happens when you can digitalize your photos. So now I'm able to let go of all of these photographs, which are quite heavy. Ask my family if there's any ones that they want to keep for hard copy, but then I was able to also give all my family members a USB stick that they could just take the digital photos and do with them with what they wanted. So once I had my photographs all organized into how I wanted them to scan, I also sorted them by shape because with the Epson scanner, or if you're using a flatbed scanner, it makes it a lot easier for getting the most pictures going through it the fastest. And it takes a little bit of time to organize everything. It took me 30 minutes, but I think it probably saved me hours of actually feeding the machine and getting things digitalized that way. So stay tuned to part 2, where we're going to go to our local library where they have the Epson scanner and the flatbed, so that I can show you how you can actually take these and then turn them into those digital files, which then you can turn into a photo book.